exports are up 2.5 million barrels. They've reached 523.6 million barrels in the week through August. 19 refinery input decreased and gasoline production fell, according to the Energy Information Administration. Gasoline stocks were up as well, about 36,000 barrels, and that compared with expectations of a big fall. We were expecting a big drawdown in at least gasoline inventories, and that's not what has happened. The result is on the screen, a 3% plunge right now on NYMEX, and Brent is also down almost 2%. So what next for this market? It's been really whipsawed all over the place. We've got John Kilduff of Again Capital joining us on the line from New York. John, thanks so much for being with us this morning. So 3% down on oil right now because of this inventory data. Extreme amount of volatility in the market. Where do you think we'll see some stability?
Yeah, there's been a lot of headline risk around this potential coming together of OPEC regarding a freeze deal. There's a meeting in Algeria next month that there's going to be a get-together of all the OPEC members, or maybe not, and that's been part of the problem here. The Iranians were not quite certain whether or not they're going to play along or not. There were dueling headlines on the news wires yesterday. One that said that they were making noises that they were going to play along. Another one saying they were not even going to go to the meeting. So in the backdrop of that falling apart, the inventory glut of oil and refined products really around the world is weighing on this market and will continue to do so.
Where do you expect oil to settle? If not settle, I mean, if you could give us a rough trading range, because we're getting a headline a day and, you know, it started moving almost 2-3% on an intraday basis. So what's the range?
Well, I think the range is certainly to the upside. And I thought we temporarily touched $50. We didn't get it. I think we've certainly failed and won't get it now. And I see prices getting back into the mid-30s here as we get into mid to late September, October time period.
Wow, you're actually expecting mid-30s by September. Okay, that's quite a call. Fortunately, a little short on time. John can't chat more, but we'd love to hear more about that call in our subsequent conversations. Thank you so much for joining in with that quick take.